Nasha main kala nasha John the anikni with 12 li Topper shogai the was there any added pressure on you? Welcome to Meisum Mating.
Hello, good evening, Uncle.
Good evening, and many congratulations. Nan Tangkhul Nawing Chaili 12 Arts Li Topper Gshok Chewang Chungkaring Paye. Thak Maida Nali Meisum Li Horangai Neka. We travel Clay Wangin La Chimang Maning La Nawi admission Gata or Nawing Langsar Wangin La Inikni at the Connect Masaviram the Piere Chipang Pyomila. The first question is, how do you prepare for your exam?
For my exams, issue 11 and 12, mostly online classes and the issue school nala. Issue matama the prepare sa kawai issue exam ha pokurang laga like 1-2 months before I na itum lit test hasyon question jigay la. Tina jubang in a paman laga hada almost every day 5-6 hours hada talaga na concentrate sa laga pathway laga ina siya talaga yung preparation din na exam sa kuya.
Okay. Na nursery way na hubog laga class 10 ay natanda Assam li tamka laga only 11 and 12 china Jharkhand li bagtam na yang. So like how challenging was it for you Assam li tam laga khangatay state li bagtam ji?
Personally, if other assembly tamla if Hilly assembly la Hindi mga na chu matuyaw meeting la Hindi na matuyaw chuna I Jharkhand they shift sa jila the iwang ba language liba problem malem ada meeting li talaga na conversation how po start sa kwe kala ada usana lam talaga na tem kwe ba uchi wang na din ada iwang problem aja malem ni iwili ada transition je.
Okay, ka no we prepared sali na si mamay na papa na kada nali help sa no we exam we bang or in general no we kada lari katamli.
Isi mana pa itum like pa le atamli itum le kila ko 1 hour sa pa ba de ka alung lung le mer ka itum le refreshment sa mera minne ka mer ka itum le ada itum le mind you refresh sa kwai itum le IR le shock le ka ka shock sa bawlo minne ka hi shock lo da itum le ada alung le break sa mera laga iwi 12 we exam atam jili isi midway isi average ramba kung wow ot le da kala la ili mong som sala la every day ili call searching ili ngahanching preparation from le kala the iga hale le le chim ngahanching laga isi awai ni nikni mang na ran tili to exam ga tam li pam ga tam tili isi awan ta tham ka hang da kala iwi like pale along li refreshment sa khami da kala ili ada encourage ka je ada ili ya overseas missing.
Okay. No, we favorite subject the subject and why is it so?
Your favorite subject history. Kali daga I ada history hi iba itu history books da ile na pa ga ada iwang ba stories hajela. Jin ada ile personally kang the subjects ngai yang ga ga history ada ile interesting samai thi da khwe na.
Okay. Na subject only daily key subject li highest score sa to. Was it history?
Je ama history le sai.
Okay, kya ka score sa?
Still Malawi uncle.
Okay. And what I knew from your parents was that na poem kata le kapi jang.
Oh mama, ito kapi.
Okay. Is writing poems and stories your hobbies or jimning la na we hobbies kante kim may leto?
My other poem ha kapi, meaning a murder story ha kapi. Yung hobby le na sa like yung kangate hobbies niya singing ay na drawing just ikan ni diya.
Okay, great. And who is your inspiration and what do you want to become in life?
inspiration here ari Jackie Chan na wa laga ada aim in life la ada acting line or pangai ne in ngani laga na the TV thali Jackie Chan li yang awi action thai yang comedy thai yang play thai yang laga awi commitment thai yang ge ada hada sabai hada ketio ka ada sa kawai ji na hot khana ne in hi right katam hi la ada goal ji ketio ka nai me kai
Okay. Kikle, I'm sorry. In a whole pogli introduction li masang bi aka mating hi oja Joyson Ahaonao we now mere paishone a John ayon to naniwe. Laga 2018 li Sharan Ahaonao mating may hi 12 science li ala Tangkhuls Topper ne jang. And then 2020 li Ella Ahaonao in again another 12 science li Tangkhuls Topper salaga Meisum li larai. So you must like Meisum viewers thing that thấy some bằng later. Mating Ahaonao achuwi li ana arts li 12 li Topper Tangkhuls li Topper li ne. You question bana mating li nasha may na kala nasha John the anikni with 12 li Topper shogai the was there any added pressure on you that the top sak vai or the was there any added pressure?
Pressure the isi avan the pressure mulim ne anikni na the na sak shapan na sakulo da hangaya dina anikni wangan na hada sa punga the pressure mulim lat ne kala la the personally klata the expectation to live up sak vai ni bin kali ya to live up sak vai in hot na ye kala the pressure va isi mana pano the mimi
Okay, fine. Kat nasha may ina nasha John arriva kitam the ledo clip ledo just wanted to know.
Ishi amay he are currently he commercial pilot training he Lucknow li we like kitam the lay lagay ishi achon nava DU Saint Stephen's li we undergraduate courses hale third year kind.
Amay wiji institute chiki holido.
Ishi amay institute IGRUA hoy
Lucknow ya. Okay. IGRUA Indira Gandhi Jila Uran Academy, right?
Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Uran Academy.
Rashtriya Uran Academy. Sorry, yeah. Chile commercial pilot training sa the plane, yeah. And then Achon Saint Stephen Lee. Okay, great. And none of college Lee admission quick. How is your college life?
In currently Bangalore Lee Christ University Lee we like some the clinic. Arian tang the issue he college how the katanga kakai so far so good problem ne adang so na lagan sem kwere kala luckily we seniors pingla helpful salak the jena Arian tang the kika problem le lang.
Okay, na 12 in the Shimli Avena Valing so Bamrashmo the hostel li Wagzangje. How are you adjusting it with the hostel environment?
He had a hard say. America iwi shimli first the man paling so de laga anik ning na talagan organize hello the function eka islira ka ta di malay wa we in America iwi kachon na sugi je malay ning ka bet semgi je malay chi relation de le laga the first time avan avale mo som da the the kito ka sakta le the slowly the cope samandle cope samandle.
Okay, well, Mating, I believe that you'll surely be able to cope up with that, and many congratulations, and then wishing you all the very best. Now we further studies with uncle. Now we aim in life with everything that you do. May God be with you and do all your best, all the very best, and once again, congratulations. Thank you so much for coming to Meisum.
Nishna uncle, Nishna the opportunity. Right?
Okay, Mating. Bye.